Hello friends, welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about Ode to a Nightingale by the Romantic age writer John Keats. He has written this poem in 1819. The major themes of this poetry is beauty, nature, imagination, mortality, art versus reality. A speaker listens to a nightingale singing in a forest. The bird song makes him want to escape human suffering. He moves from pain and reality, imagination and beauty, and he returns to reality. Escape from suffering. The poet feels tired of human life, filled with disease, aging, death, sadness. He wants to escape through wine, imagination, poetry. Immortality of art and nature. The nightingale symbolize eternal beauty and art. Human die, but the bird's song seems timeless. Key idea of this poem is human life is temporary. Art and beauty are everlasting. Imagination versus reality. Ending shows uncertainty, death and morality. Keats often thought about death because the illness and personal losses. In the poem, death appears peaceful and attractive. It is written eight stanza. Each stanza has 10 lines. Musical and lyrical flow are there.